Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Setiawan Zeni TV. Today we will discuss the best blue chip stocks to buy. Blue chip stocks are a great choice if you are looking for stable, reliable and consistent investment opportunities. These stocks are typically from well-established, financially sound companies with a track record of providing solid returns to investors. We will highlight the top 6 blue chip stocks that are currently leading the market in this video. We'll be looking at their financials, current market position, and future growth prospects in order to help you make an informed decision about investing in these companies. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just getting started, this video will give you valuable insight into the world of blue chip stocks. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. The first one is Apple. Apple is a great blue chip stock for a variety of reasons. For starters, it is a well-established company with a track record of providing solid returns to its investors. Second, because Apple has a strong brand and a loyal customer base, it is less likely to be influenced by short-term market fluctuations. Third, Apple offers a wide range of products and services, including the iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple Watch, as a rapidly expanding services business that includes Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, and iCloud. Overall, these factors combine to make Apple a fantastic blue chip stock to consider for long-term stable investments. Berkshire Hathaway is another excellent blue chip stock for a number of reasons. First, it is a holding company with a diverse portfolio of business in industries such as insurance, energy, transportation, and retail. This diversification spreads risk and ensures that Berkshire Hathaway can generate revenue from multiple sources in the future. Second, Berkshire Hathaway is managed by Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history, who has a proven track record of making sound investment decisions. Berkshire Hathaway has consistently outperformed the broader market over the long term under his leadership. Berkshire Hathaway is known for its long-term approach to investing, which means that it focuses on business with strong fundamentals and long-term competitive advantages. This approach has contributed to the creation of a stable, reliable company that is well positioned to weather short-term market fluctuations. Coca-Cola is a well-known blue chip stock known for its iconic brand and well-known products. Coca-Cola, as one of the world's largest beverage companies, has a global presence and a diverse range of products. Soft drinks, juices, and sports drinks are the examples. Coca-Cola is a great blue chip stock because of its strong brand and customer loyalty. Coca-Cola has been around for over a century and its brand is well known around the world. This provides the company with a competitive advantage and helps to ensure that revenue is generated even during periods of economic uncertainty. Coca-Cola's consistent performance is another reason why it is a great blue chip stock. Intel is a blue chip stock that is well known in the technology sector for its microprocessors, chipsets, and other computing technologies. Intel, as one of the world's largest semiconductor companies, has a global presence and a diverse range of products used in everything from personal computers to data centers. Intel's reputation for innovation and technical expertise is one of the primary reasons it is a great blue chip stock. Intel has a long history of creating cutting-edge technologies that have revolutionized the computing industry and it continues to invest heavily in R&D to stay ahead of the competition. Another reason Intel is a great blue chip stock is its consistency. Despite technological advancements and the introduction of new competitors, Intel has remained a strong and stable company that consistently provides solid returns to its shareholders. Johnson & Johnson is well-known blue chip stock in the healthcare industry. Johnson & Johnson, as a multinational corporation, has a diverse portfolio of healthcare products ranging from pharmaceuticals to medical devices to consumer health products. Johnson & Johnson's reputation for quality and innovation is one of the primary reasons it is a great blue chip stock. Johnson & Johnson has a long history of developing and producing high-quality products that are trusted by both healthcare professionals and patients. In order to remain at the forefront of medical innovation, the company has also made significant investments in research and development. As a multinational corporation, American Express is a leading blue chip stock in the financial services industry, best known for its credit card payment services and travel-related services. American Express has a global presence and offers a wide range of products to both consumers and businesses. One of the primary reasons American Express is a great blue chip stock is its financial strength and stability. American Express has a long history of effectively managing risk, which has allowed the company to weather economic downturns and provide consistent returns to its investors. American Express is also a great blue chip stock because of its brand recognition and customer loyalty. American Express is one of the world's most recognizable financial services brands, and its cardholders are typically loyal and high-spending customers. That concludes our list of the top 6 blue chip stocks. Investing in blue chip stocks can be a great way to build wealth over time because these companies tend to be stable, established, and financially sound. However, no investment is completely risk-free, so do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more investment content. I'll see you again in the next video.